Welcome to today's Urban Spotlight Moment with Devon Holt.
You may not know it, but West Louisville's become a national model for urban revitalization. And the Villages of Park Duval is one of the reasons why.
This community before the Villages of Park Duval was the highest crime area in the city. It was the highest concentration of poverty. It was the highest concentration of unemployment. And now you can just look around here now. I tell you, it's amazing. You cannot walk up and down the streets of here and tell if somebody lives in here, if they make $10,000 a year, or if they make, $250,000 a year in here. And so that's been able to be blended in this community very successfully, and I think that really makes a difference, and that's been key to the success here.
The Villages of Park Duval, a national model for inner city revitalization.
This has been another Urban Spotlight Moment brought to you by Norton Healthcare. Expect more from a leader.